Hello everyone. So the next topic which we will be covering today is the cytoplasm. In this we will talk about what is cytoplasm, what are the functions of the cytoplasm, what is the history of cytoplasm, and in these slides basically we will be focusing more on the plants. So we will talk about the plant cell cytoplasm. So let's get started with the first slide of introduction. So this is the cell in which the cytoplasm is depicted here. So cytoplasm is depicted here, which means it is a gel-like fluid which is present between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. So this is present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. So the thick-like consistency of thick or semi-transparent and fluid-like consistency is present in the cell. So this is the cytoplasm. So it is a semi-fluid substance of a cell that is present within the cellular membrane and surrounds the nuclear membrane. So it is basically surrounding the cell membrane. It is between the nuclear membrane. This is the nucleus and this is the nuclear membrane, and this is the cell membrane. So it is between them. So this is the cytoplasm. All the cellular contents in a prokaryote organism are contained within the cytoplasm. For example, there are organelles, for example, there are mitochondria, then there are ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, then the plastids are there. All these things will be present in the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is a thick and a semi-transparent consistency like liquid which is there. Next comes is this. What is cytoplasm here? The cytoplasm in the eukaryotic cells associate with the cell contents except for the nucleus. So nucleus, for example, nucleus is present here. So all the other organelles which are present is in the cytoplasm. So all the cell content, the main functioning of the cell contents except for the nucleus, all consist of a cytoplasm. But in prokaryotic cells, they do not possess a defined nuclear membrane. The cytoplasm possesses the genetic material of the cell. So in basically eukaryote cells, there is a nucleus and there is a nuclear membrane. So the cytoplasm is present between them, but in prokaryote cells they do not possess a nuclear membrane. So the cytoplasm basically possesses the genetic material of the cell. Cells in comparison to the eukaryotes are smaller and have an uncomplicated arrangement of the cytoplasm. The cells present in the eukaryotes, they are generally smaller and have uncomplicated arrangement of the cytoplasm. Then what is the history of cytoplasm? So in 1665, Robert Hooke, uh, he was an English researcher and he observed the fundamental unit of life. He basically discovered the cell in his course of compound microscope. So he coined the term cell, which was based from a Latin word cella, meaning small room. So in 1665, Robert Hooke, he discovered the term cell, and also discovered, based on the Latin words, he discovered the cell, and it is meaning in the small rooms. Later on, many scientists contributed to Robert Hooke's findings, and even actually the cell theory was postulated. So as the technology progressed, there was modern interpretations of cell theory which have been formed with new tenets and revisions of the existing ones. Later on in 1863, there was a Swiss biologist which was named Rudolf von. He coined the term cytoplasm. So the cell was discovered by the Robert Hooke, and the cytoplasm term was being discovered by the Rudolf von. So it was regarded as a synonym for protoplasm. So cytoplasm is regarded as a synonym for protoplasm. However, the term gradually changed its meaning from the current definition of the cytoplasm. So the definition which I have explained in the previous slide is the exact definition of the cytoplasm. With times, the definition changed. Next, what are the functions of cytoplasm? What does a cytoplasm play a function in a cell? How does it play a function? So first of all, the cytoplasm supports and suspends cellular molecules and organelles. Organelles, for example, there is mitochondria, there is plastids, there is endoplasmic reticulum. All these contribute to the organelles. Then cytoplasm also helps to move things around in the cell such as hormones and dissolves any cellular waste that may occur. So they move the things around because it is a semi liquid and it is semi transparent, so it can move the things around. So the cellular waste which dissolves in this dissolves in the cytoplasm, they may also occur. So they also assist in the metabolic activities of the cell. They provide the shape to the cell and it fills up the cell, thus enabling the organelles to remain in their position. For example, mitochondria has some position, ER has some position, plastids has some position. So cytoplasm basically provides the movement of the organelles in the cell. They provide the shape to the cell and they basically enable the organelles to remain in their position. Then we are more focusing on the plant cell cytoplasm. So this is a diagram for a plant cell. So in this, where is the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is being depicted here, that it is between the plasma membrane and between the nucleus. It is present between the nucleus. So it is a semi-liquid which is being present in the cell. So plant cell cytoplasm is similar to the animal cell cytoplasm. There is not much difference between these cytoplasm. They store many chemicals that are vital for the cells. They store a number of chemicals that is vital for the cell, and they also provide important metabolic reactions like glycolysis and synthesis of proteins which takes place in the cytoplasm. In plants, the movement of the cytoplasm around the vacuole, this is known as cytoplasmic streaming. So especially in the plants, the movement of cytoplasm around the vacuoles, it is known as cytoplasmic streaming. So this was all about the cytoplasm, how it plays a role in the plant cells, what are the functions, what is the history. So this was all about the cytoplasm. Thank you.